Welcome back. It's Crypto Big Boss again, 17 December 2021. Hey, why don't we take our Magic Crypto Portfolio dashboard that we built earlier this year and just see how 3 of these Metaverse tokens are performing. And how about we look at X Infinity first? We can see that we're getting a sell recommendation. But before we jump into that, and just to say, why? Because, earlier this year, I did say that there was refuge in the Metaverse. So you might be wondering, why are we getting a sell recommendation? Well, let's get into it. So if we look at this, what it's looking like is, the 200-day is just absolutely phenomenal. 2,017%. The 30-day is off 28%. The 7-day is off 7.5%. While the last 24 hours has been off 5%. So this is one of those ones where you really got to understand that, hey, it's Christmas time. Folks are taking profits. Folks are buying Christmas gifts. Folks are doing all kinds of things to, mitigate their tax liability. If you understand that the Metaverse could be the biggest gig of 2022 and possibly for the next 3 to 5 years, you might not want to just look at this recommendation. So you're going to see a lot of different recommendations out there saying, hey, you need to go ahead and sell X Infinity. Hey, why don't we take a look at a few others? Let's go ahead and scroll on down and see what else we got here. We could talk about Vechain. Some people are calling that one a potential Metaverse coin. You're getting a sell recommendation on that one too. Let's get into it. So it's not doing so well. Okay, look at this. 25% in the last 200 days, 44% in the last 30, 6% down in the last 7, and of course 2.5% in the last 24. This is really saying, hey, we might need to look somewhere else. Maybe this is one that if you were on the fence about, you might want to really take a look at this one. It's really got a downtrend across the board, 24-hour, 7-day, 30-day, and 200-day. Let's go and take a look at a few of the others. Sandbox. Okay, Sandbox, let's see what you're doing. We're getting a hold recommendation on Sandbox. Let's see what's going on here. The 200-day up over 1,400%. 30-day 51%. The 7-day down 5.6%, and the 24-hour down 5.3%. Again, this is one of those ones that if you understand what's coming, and if you understand what time of year it is, that hold could easily be leaning towards a buy. All right, and the last one we're going to cover is Decentraland. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Where is Decentraland? Where we can find it? We're going to find it. Where are you hiding, Decentraland? Where are you hiding? Where are you hiding? Okay, Decentraland. There you are. Let's see how it's doing. Look at there. This is one of my favorites. This is, to me, the one that everybody should be trying to chase. But you see, we have a sell recommendation. It's down 5% in the last 24 hours. It's down 10% in the last 7 days, down 4% in the last 30. But it's up an incredible 300% in the last 200 days. So even though we got a mixed bag on the Metaverse here, we might want to just hold off and maybe just stick with a hold. If you've been wondering if you should let some go, you can see small marginal percentages could easily sway you to go either way. So I hope that you found this video informative. If you like this kind of content and you haven't seen it delivered in this way, please like, subscribe, and share. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on the next one.